Yo, what's up, y'all? So I just wanted to let you guys know we're got all the plastics off and whatnot. Subframe off. Plan is now we're about to drain the oil out of here and the coolant, and basically take the motor out. Go from there. Yo, what's up, y'all? So we got the bike all taken apart. The motor's up here. I'm not sure if I showed you guys this yet, but got the motor up here. Bolts and stuff look real good, so that's a good sign. Usually you'll get these and you'll have a bunch of stripped bolts and whatnot, but got the frame, got the forks and the front tire handlebars right there, swing arm, back tire, brake. We got the subframe, both radiators, which looks like we got a pretty nice radiator. And then we're just gonna go ahead and clean everything. And I think we're gonna go ahead and search for a place to send this out to get powder coated. I found this timer. It looks like it's 52 hours on the motor. I don't know when that was reset, but we're gonna see what all it needs when we strip this apart. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Hope y'all enjoyed that little breakdown video or time-lapse video. Hope y'all enjoyed your day, and if you liked the video, like, comment, and subscribe. You know the vibes, man. Coming with bangers all summer. Stay tuned. That's all I gotta say. We out.